Self-tan season is finally here and I'm always so excited to be trying new self-tanning products. And today I will be reviewing for you my latest purchase, which is Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops for the body in a shade dark. I will be explaining you how to use these in order to get that beautiful deep sun-kissed glow for your skin, and also I will be going through all of the advantages and disadvantages of this product, the smell, the cost, everything. Let's go! If you're new on this channel, my name is Anna and here I share lots of beauty product reviews, hair care tips and so much more. And before we start, I wanted to ask you to click the like button. It really helps me grow my channel. It really helps for my channel to be seen by YouTube algorithms. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. First of all, I wanted to say that we really need to normalize self-tanning and imperfect self-tanning with streaks, because what is really not normal and unhealthy is natural tan. Natural tan is extremely harmful for your skin and for your health. But there is absolutely nothing bad in wanting to have that beautiful dark sun-kissed glow on your skin for summer. So please don't worry if your self-tanning doesn't turn out perfect every time, if you get streaks. It's okay, don't worry. I decided to try Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops for the body because I've been using Isle of Paradise self-tanning spray on my face for 2 years already, and I'm a big fan of this product. So this product, the drops, they cost about 32 euros here in Europe, and you have 75 milliliters in the bottle, and I think that is a really good price for this amount of product. I feel like this bottle is going to last me the whole summer. Isle of Paradise suggests that you mix at least 6 drops of the product with your body cream or your body lotion, and they say that you shouldn't exceed 12 drops. They don't say if this amount of drops is only for one part of your body or for your whole body, so I felt a little bit confused about it at first. But then after I looked through their Instagram and I watched the videos of how they say you should apply the product, and I think the 6 drops is only for one part of your body. But for me, I felt that 14 drops was enough for the whole of my body. So starting from the very beginning, if you are familiar with self-tanning, you probably know that you need to exfoliate your body before using any kind of self-tanning product. You can use body scrub, or you can use an exfoliating glove, or you can just use the ground coffee that you have in your coffee machine after you finish drinking your coffee that day. It doesn't matter what you use, you need to have really nice exfoliated body. Also, some people use a moisturizer really heavily some days before starting their self-tanning journey. That is supposed to really help to have your skin prepared for self-tanning. What I always do, and I feel like that is a very important step in the self-tanning routine, is I apply very heavy body cream. It can also be Vaseline or Aquaphor to my knees, to my elbows, and also on my ankles. That really helps me not to get a lot of product on that part of my body. I really don't like having my knees or my elbows darker than the other parts of my skin. It really looks unflattering if you have your knees or your ankles darker than other parts of your legs, for example. And then it's time to use your Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops. I feel like what worked for me is mixing 2 drops of Isle of Paradise with 3 pumps of my body lotion and adding that to each part of my body. So I added 2 drops to each of my hands, to my stomach, chest plus neck, and then to my back, and then I added 3 drops to each of my legs. All of this was mixed with 3 pumps of Neutrogena Hydro Boost body gel cream every time. I chose this body cream because I really wanted something light. I really don't like the feeling of heavy body cream all over my skin. And also this one is really not expensive. The cost of this bottle is $6 and the size is 400 milliliters, so it's huge, and I think I'm going to be using this bottle the whole summer, and I really feel like the quality for this price is really amazing. So that is the product that I would recommend recommend to you to mix with the Isle of Paradise drops, but really you can choose any body cream or body lotion that you like. And after applying your self tanner, don't forget to wash your hands. Be careful not to get your clothes dirty, because I really wasn't careful and I got my sports bra a little bit dirty, and I noticed it only after I filmed my tan the next day. So you wash your hands and then you relax, you forget about it, and your tan is supposed to develop in 6 hours. They say it's supposed to develop in 4 to 6 hours. I didn't check on my tan after 6 hours. I think I checked on my tan after about 12 hours. It was the next morning, and the next morning my tan was already looking deep and beautiful. My main takeaway from the first use of Isle of Paradise body self-tanning drops in a shade dark is that it is so easy. I love this product because it's so easy to use, and it also really doesn't take a lot of time or a lot of effort. I am a person who really doesn't like spending lots of time on self-tanning routine, and if you have ever used self-tanning mousses, you know that it really takes some time and it can be really like annoying, the whole process of using a self-tanning mousse, because you need to be using that glove and you need to be really careful not to get the streaks, not to miss a spot, and then you walk around your house almost naked waiting for the mousse to dry and then to wash it off. I really don't like that process. And with this one, all you have to do is you mix it with your lotion and you apply your body lotion the way you usually apply your body lotion. You don't need to apply it in any other special way, like being like super attentive to like spread it around your body. You just do it normally, and then you need to wait just a little bit for the body lotion to absorb into your skin. For me it was about 10 minutes, and then you can get dressed and continue going through your day and just forget about your self-tanning. It's going to be done by itself and it's going to look really, really nice. One thing that I wanted to mention is that I didn't use this product on my hands yet. I still need to try how it's going to work on my hands. I use a self-tanning spray from another brand on my hands and I'm really not satisfied with it, so I think I really need to try this one on the hands as well. When it comes to streaks, you really shouldn't worry about them with this product. Everything blends so well in your body. I didn't get one streak, and that was my first time ever using this kind of product, so don't worry, you're going to be fine with it. When it comes to smell, when you apply it to your body, you don't feel anything on your body, but after about, I would say, an hour of having it on my skin, I felt a little bit that usual scent of a self-tanning product on your skin. It wasn't too much, it was just a little bit, and then after some time I just forgot about it and I didn't feel it throughout the evening or throughout the night at all. The feeling of the product on your skin is really not too bad. It's not heavy. It's not exactly the same to when you just have the lotion alone on your skin. When you have the lotion alone, it feels lighter. This time it felt a little bit heavier, but it's not too bad. I forgot about it after some time. I felt completely comfortable and that wasn't bothering me at all. A very important tip that I wanted to mention is that you really need to be attentive when applying this product to your legs and arms. Especially, you need to apply the same amount of self-tanning drops to both arms and legs, because I feel like I wasn't super attentive and it's very easy not to get the drops of the same size to like both legs. For example, I feel like I got the bigger drops on my right leg than to my left leg, and my right leg turned out a little bit darker than my left one. So be attentive and try your best to get the same amount of drops, the same size of drops to your both legs and both arms. But I think with time, when you get used to this product, it really becomes super easy for you. And to sum it up, I would like to say that I think that is the best self-tanning product for the body that I have ever used, and I am so excited to have my self-tanning routine so easy this summer. I hope that you liked this video and I hope it was useful for you. Please push the like button if you enjoyed watching it and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you very soon. Bye!